problems that we are facing today are double in its nature. First, there's an international order, and second, there's a European Union based on wrong premises. But to say that European Union was somehow based on the premise never again, I think it's a little hypocrisy, as Jelena said before, because there were wars constantly going on in our neighborhood for a long time. I mean, in Greece they had a civil war till 1949. And so what? And other wars, Korea, Vietnam, proxy wars of different kinds, and nonetheless, Europe was divided by Cold War, and Cold War was not cold, it was hot war, as somebody said, So, in a way, there's a lot of denial, disavowal in psychoanalytic sense of the world, concerning this notion, where is this war happening right now? So, in the times of Yugoslav wars, we constantly heard, it's 2 hours by plane from us, or by car, whatever. So this is hypocrisy in its purest. For me, the greatest danger lies in a way in abandoning democratic procedures, and I totally agree with Jelena that these times are times for peace activism. If not now, when then? So we need it more. But for me, the danger lies also in processes that are taking that are somehow going around democratic or popular control. For instance, Josef Vogel, German philosopher, wrote a book which goes in a similar direction as Mark Knight times. And he said that from the history of financial capitalism, there are many, let us say, steps that somehow come close to there are two doubles in a way. Financial capitalism goes together with populism. So the natural result of financial processes and of various very sophisticated processes is the resentment, the anger, the rage, the violence goes together with it. So let us not forget that there are some processes going on which are some kind of objective, rooted in capitalism as such, if we can speak today about capitalism at all.